The batsman lets it go to the keeper. Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field.
Works it wide of the fielder for a single.
Crucial to keep the scoreboard ticking with singles and doubles.
Captain has placed a deep point for extra protection.
Super delivery. Batsman got lucky there. Well played into the gap. Can the batsman get two here? Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen.
The bowler bowling from his favourite end.
That was beautifully bowled and well caught. The batsman is all set to face his first ball. That is good bowling, making the batsman play. Unlucky to not get an edge.
Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Poor shot from the batsman. No timing in that shot and comfortably taken.
Captain going for wickets, slips in place.
Oh, he missed that one.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines.
Definitely wasn't expecting that. Superb bowling. He goes from top and in the gap as well. This is brilliant batting from the batsman. Oh, excellent delivery.
Fast bowler into the attack.
He has collected that one. Oh, just the sound of it makes it beautiful to watch. We are witnessing a cracker of a game here. Good to see the crowd getting involved.
for 6. Tremendous hit. Will he take on the bowler again? Let's see.
Single taken. Good rotation of strike here from the batsman.
Whoa, that looks tight. Could be the end of the batsman innings. The batsman is taking the slow, long walk back to the pavilion. That was a waste of a wicket. The batsman looked furious after that run out. That's a perfect example of timing and power. 6 it is. He looks in good batting form here. Well played for a single.
Confident appeal, but the umpire says not out. They are running hard, converting ones into twos and twos into threes.
Deep point placed to cover that square region.
He hasn't hit that well at all. The fielder will take it.
Interesting to see how much spin is there on this pitch. The batsman is all set to face his first ball.
That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again.
Teams are aware of how dangerous this player can be.
Oh, that's nasty. The batsman has taken a solid blow there.
Captain has placed a fielder at cover.
Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting him to his plans. Up and over. He has done this beautifully.
That's quality batting. Ball meeting the middle of the bat. He is wonderful to watch when in full flow.
Shot. That's so beautifully played. Wonder where the next one's gonna fly.
That's too wide. Has to bowl that one again.
He has been relentless against the spinners.
Oh, that looks ugly. Batsman took his eyes off the ball and got stuck on the body.
delivery.
Pace bowler back on. This is turning out to be a spectacular match, and people here are completely into the game now. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length.
Pushed into the gap for a single.
Confident appeal, but the umpire says not out.
Crucial to keep the scoreboard ticking with singles and doubles.
Bowler has got a fielder at deep extra cover.
Well placed. Should get a couple of runs.
Running has been top class by both the batsmen. The bowler bowling from his favourite end.
He hasn't hit that well, and the fielder will take it. Bowlers need to hit that corridor of uncertainty consistently to try and restrict the batsman.
That's a superb shot for 6. Sight to watch. He's looking in good touch here.
He hasn't hit that well, and the fielder will take it.
Let's go.